You are listening to WABC 77. Time for the Robert Patrick Show.
Good morning, New York. It's your friend Robert Patrick here with the morning news. Now we're into the second month of reducing carbon emissions to zero and cleaning up the population to satisfy the alien race known as the Nubians. The big story of the day is that the Nubian leader is set to meet President Donald Trump in the Oval Office today. It will be the most historic moment in human history, as Trump will be the first world leader to ever meet with extraterrestrial life. The White House told NBC that they were honored to receive this visit from the alien leader and are glad that a peace agreement could be worked out. Now, the big thing is, if Trump would have subscribed to the Green New Deal in the first place, then we wouldn't be having this conversation today. We would not have been invaded by aliens that want to force us to do the Green New Deal so that they can use our resources to survive. Now, no American has any freedoms because martial law has been declared for the past few months. Who would have guessed that the AOCs of this world were right all along? Well, not the conservatives, not the radicals on the right, the Mitch McConnells, the Donald Trumps of this world, the hillbillies that live in the South. Conservatives, they just need to shut up and accept the fact that their rejection of science almost wiped out the human race. The only reason that Donald Trump and other Republicans haven't been removed from office is because the alien race specifically requested that all politicians worldwide are to remain in their offices until the problem is fixed. Now, new legislation is being passed today for conservative voters to have to pay reparations for putting humanity in danger. It's sad that it took this long for conservatives to have to pay for their wrongdoings, for their homophobia, their xenophobia, and, yes, their racism. The world is finally starting to make sense.
This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. The Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of over 100 nuclear weapons from Russia, China, India, Israel, North Korea, and England that is expected to hit the United States within 25 to 30 minutes. Nuclear silos have been hacked all around the United States, launching a total of 60 nuclear weapons. The whole entire United States should seek a fallout shelter now. Fallout is a dangerous byproduct of nuclear disasters. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. You will need to pack food, water, clothes, a battery-powered radio, and a medical kit for prolonged stay within your fallout shelter. Tune into local media outlets for information on the closest fallout shelter near your area. The President of the United States has been transported to an undisclosed location. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast radio and cable stations will transmit this emergency action notification. This is WABC 77. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If this is not your area, then tune into local media outlets, providing news and information for your area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines are to be kept open for emergency use. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast radio and cable stations will transmit this emergency action notification. This is WABC 77. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If this is not your area, then tune into local media outlets, providing news and information for your area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines are to be kept open for emergency use. This is an emergency act. Prepare for a message from an unknown sender.
Connection established. You are a stubborn species. You will not surrender. The world leaders attempted a full-scale attack on my fleet of ships using electromagnetic pulse devices. You were able to take down several of my ships, but it will cost you everything. Nubian technology is far more advanced than your own technology. I hacked into your nuclear weapon defense systems all around the world with complete ease, and now I will wipe out the majority of the population. That will ensure that there will be no more coups, and that the natural resources that I need will be preserved. Earth now belongs to the Nubian Empire. In fact, it is now time to show you the power of the Zion Cannon. I will sink the country of China, the largest polluter in the world, to show you my raw and awesome power. You humans are little bugs. You will be destroyed. Connection terminated.